quick question. Do you know the difference between a process group and a knowledge area? If not, keep watching. Yes, if you're studying to take the PMP exam, you need to know this. The process domain makes up 50% of your score, and that's half of your exam. So here's what I highly recommend that you focus on. Number one, start off with the process groups. There's 5 stages every project is going to move through. We've got initiating, we've got planning, we've got executing, we've got monitoring and controlling, and we have closing. Then go ahead and move on to the knowledge areas. And there's a total of 10 knowledge areas, okay? These are the parts of a project that you manage. So think scope, schedule, cost, quality, risk, and again, there's 10. Make sure you know them all. Now, this is where it all clicks, okay? Each process is an activity, and that happens during each process group that's going to support that knowledge area. So for example, develop schedule. Well, that's going to happen in the planning process within the schedule management knowledge area. All right, so next up we have formulas, and these are going to tell you whether your project is on time and within budget. So you absolutely need to know these. So we've got cost performance index, we've got schedule performance index, we've got cost variance, and we've got schedule variance. And these all come from earned value management. So these are all going to tell you the performance of your project. So you need to make sure you know these. Then we move on to methods, and these are like the tools that you're going to use, right? So think like rolling wave planning. There's also like that Monte Carlo simulation, which I've never used before. Then we move on to models, and these are like the frameworks, okay? So think like there's several communication models. There's like the Tuckman team model. Then we move on to the artifacts, and these are going to be the actual project documents that are created, right? So think the project charter, the risk register, the issues log, all of that. So then we move on to the frameworks, and we've got predictive, and we have agile, and we have hybrid. Study how these pieces all connect, and you are setting yourself up to pass the process domain on the exam. Now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment if there's a concept that is tripping you up, and let's chat about it. And if you found this information helpful, go ahead and click that like button and follow for more PMP exam tips. Thanks.